Hey, how you doing? I'm glad that you came through. The link is in the chat. The link is in the chat. The link is in the chat. Yes, it is. Y'all do me a favor, hit that like button. Y'all do me a favor, hit that like. Y'all hold on for a second. Man, when I be out there running in this Georgia morning time weather, it be getting to me. I be running at the park. I don't know if it be like the trees out there, the cold, the morning cold or what, but it be like my sinuses be acting up, draining, be having sinus drainage and all kinds of stuff. Y'all ain't tap in to hear all that. Tim, shut up. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. I'd like to welcome y'all to the overnight price action for December the 9th, 2022. This the extended remix. Yeah. Welcome. If this your first time tuning in, then make sure the window open. Yep, the window open. If this your first time tuning in to Tim's Tidbit, I like to say welcome. If it's not your first time tuning in to Tim's Tidbit, I still want to say welcome and give you a nice hearty, well, thank you for always pulling up and hanging out with me and my boy Spidey back there. Y'all see Spidey over there? He's hanging by the window. Whoa. Shout out all my Knowles fans. Shout out all my Knowles fans. You hear me? Them boys done made it to a bowl game. It'd been a few years since we made it to a bowl game, but it feel good. Hey, we back. I'm back. I'm back. I knew we was back when we beat LSU in the beginning of the year. I said, we back. But we still lost to Clemson. Got to be more careful. Anyway, y'all ain't tapped in to hear that either. Y'all tapped in to talk about the overnight price action. If you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy Lee Rogerson. Y'all get on Algor's internet every single day, and I talk about the price action. Why do I do this right here? Because I want to show people what a full-time trader would do in any situation. Yes, I am a full-time trader. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. Nothing I say should be taken as financial advice. Investing involves considerable risk. Do your own research, and you should always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That's what the little banner say down there. But I'm not a mentor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some dude from Fort Lauderdale, Florida that learned the skill. And once I learned that skill, I get on Al Gore's internet and I just share it for the free 99 with people like you. Not Robinson. Don't worry about him. People like you. People, I share it with you for free because I want you to take all of your money, all of your hard-earned cash, and put it in a brokerage account. You know what a brokerage account is because you're here. If you didn't know what a brokerage account was, you wouldn't be here. But since you're here, I know you know what a brokerage account is. So I want you to take all your hard-earned money and put it in a brokerage account. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to anybody else. Put it in your brokerage account, right? Because everything you need to be successful in the stock market is already in you. Because you know what you need to be successful in the stock market? Discipline and risk management. That's all you need to be successful. There's no secret indicator. There's no secret setup. There's no secret formula. There's no secret sauce. It's all in you. You know, people be like, you already got it, but you don't know because you got it. The only thing it takes to be successful is discipline and risk management. If you can make your losses smaller than your wins, you will be successful. Now, you tap in and hang out with me to just learn different methods, learn different strategies, see a way another person do it in the hopes to get your aha moment. That's how that worked. That's why they did that. Now I know why they did that. And then you can formulate your own strategy, if you will. Speaking of that's why they did that, I shared something last night. I shared something last night in the what you call that thing, man? Discord. I shared something last night in the Discord. As y'all know, I said I would never share anything in the Discord that I won't share on Al Gore's internet. Oh, let me restart Ninja Trader. Last night my YM and my NQ rolled over, but my ES didn't roll over. So I shut down my Ninja Trader before I went to go run to see if it makes my ES roll over. Let's see if it rolls over. Come on, connect. Unable to connect to a remote. What? Hold up. It said it was unable to connect. Let's try this again. Hold up. While that's trying to connect, let's Discord. That's what I was doing. Do not switch. Wrong thing. Golly. Well, I guess Ninja Trader not gonna roll it over yet. I know it already. The YM rolled over, and the CO. If y'all see over here, the NQ say 0323 and 0323 on the YM, but the ES still say 1222. Ninja Trader still hasn't rolled. Whoa! What was up with the PPI? What happened with the PPI? Because this 15-minute candle right here is crazy. Somebody tell me what happened with PPI. Was the PPI number? Well, how did the PPI numbers come in? Discord. While I'm getting the Discord, somebody tell me what went on with PPI. Last night in the Discord, I shared this right here. I said, everyone, let's see how this plays out. What this is right here, the price was consolidating yesterday. For most of yesterday, price consolidated right in this area right here. So I ran the fibs. I'm doing a little fib test on this right here to see. Well, it looked like we done took out that low now. So the news done trumped this right here. But I ran the fib to the 50%, and then the equilibrium for the one move from there was at the weekly equilibrium right there. So I was like, let's see how this play out. Right? That's one thing I shared. I shared that last night at 10:51. And then this morning at 6:08, right? So I posted that at 10:51. And then last night I posted this at 6:08. Said, everyone, I took a live 10-point MES trade overnight using the fib projection technique. I ran the fib on the 15-minute, set my limit order around 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it was profitable. This is not a green light for everyone else to risk live capital. I'm just sharing my journey. So now, what I did last night after I had posted this picture right here in the Discord, I said, hey, let me check out this little area around here to see if I can find something in the short term for overnight. Since we were pushing up, looking like we was going to try to take out those highs, I was like, hey, let me see if I can find something over here to see if I can get me a quick little turnaround after we take out this buy side liquidity, right? So what I did, I came in, and if y'all ain't in the Discord, this picture right here is what I shared in Discord. This is from inside my trade. This is how I do my trading journal stuff and save it on my computer. I take a screenshot, I put it in Photoshop, and I either type or I write my notes out, right? So if it's any spelling errors, I don't care. So I set the fib from the low of this price leg right here, right? I set the fib from the low of this price leg right here, right, to the center of the consolidation. So I started at this low, this the price leg I'm looking, because we came up, pulled back, and then we took off again and started consolidating, right? So I put the fib on the low of the price leg before the consolidation, right? And I ran the fib to like the center of the consolidation, right? I didn't go to the bottom. I didn't go to the top. I just put it right. I split the difference to the center of the consolidation. And then the top of it was at, let me open the real picture because I ain't got my glasses on, and y'all know I can't see that. Y'all know I can't see that. Let me open up the actual picture so I can blow it up. Okay, that's better, right? The top of the fib was at 39.8175, right? So I was like, I'm not gonna push it. I start to set it at 39.82, but I set my I set my limit order at 39.81 because I was like, I'm not gonna push it. I'm not gonna try to go outside it. I ain't gonna try to get top wick. I'm just gonna put it, you know what I'm saying? I'm a front run it. I put it at 39.81, right? And so I was like, I gave it my standard. This is my 1.25 to 1 setup, right? So I give it 8 points to get 10. Now, you know what I'm saying? It's just my quick little scalp setup. I'm risking 8 points to get 10. It's a 1.25 setup, right? And I did it on the MES because I wasn't trying to risk no lot of money on no freaking test, right? I've been testing it. You know what I'm saying? I've been testing it, just going through, you know what I'm saying, pretending like I can't see the candles and just, you know what I'm saying, running the fibs and just been documenting how accurate it's going to be. So then last night I was like, hey, I'm going to do a sim trade. Then I was like, you know what? I ain't going to do a sim trade. I'm going to do a real trade and I'm going to do it on the MES. You know what I'm saying? So, and then y'all know I usually don't have my annotations on my charts because I hate them, but I just want to put it on there because I didn't have the actual screenshot where I'm actually in the trade, right? So I wanted y'all to actually understand that, you know what I'm saying, this ain't cap. Not that I got to prove anything to anybody. I really don't care, but out of respect for the Spider Gang, you know what I'm saying, I just, you know what I'm saying, I just want to let y'all know this ain't cap. Tim ain't just capping. You know what I'm saying? Outside of the gang, I don't care what people think about me. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you if you believe that this stuff work or not. I ain't trying to impress nobody, right? But I just want to, since I didn't have a screenshot of me actually being in the trade, this was the way I can let y'all see that I actually did this. And y'all see right here, my fibs, it was like around 12 something. It was like about 12:15, 12:10. Wherever I ran my fibs to right here, whatever time this is right here, that's a what is this right here, like the 12:30 candle right here. So yeah, like I said, it was around like 12:15, 12:10, because this was at the edge of the price when I ran it last night, right? And that, what is that line up to what, like that's a 12:30. So yeah, it was around by 12:15, 12:10 when I ran this, and then I set that limit order at that price, and then I went in there and fell asleep while I was watching TV. And then when I woke up this morning with the old man bladder at like 6, what time did I post that? 6:08. So it was like about 5:45 when I woke up, because I came in, took the screenshot, wrote all that on it, and then shared that in the Discord. So just want to share that because I put it in Discord. I told people, hey, the Discord ain't that special. I don't want you to feel like you're missing anything just because you're not in the Discord. The Discord is just so I can get my thoughts out right then. And then I'm going to share the same thing on Al Gore's internet anyway. And then I don't even know if anybody be seeing it in Discord anyway, to tell you the truth. To tell you the truth, I don't know if anybody be seeing it. Let's go see if anybody saw it. Let's see if anybody, did I close the Discord? Okay, I closed the Discord, so we're not going to go see that. Anyway, let's go see who in the chat. Let's go see who's in the chat. Who's in the chat? Who here to learn and share? Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. Tweet, 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 tweet. What's up? Cool it now. Hey, watch out. What's up, Lil Hawk? What's going on, nephew? Rhonda Green. What's up, Seawalk? I don't even understand how I'm a Seawalk. Walk. Hey, Rhonda. How come your son black? Your son is black. Buenos Dias, Valdez. What's going on, Angela? Hey, since y'all back to back, guess who just walked in? Ladies and gentlemen, District Attorney Angela Valdez. I did that just for you, Robinson. Is Robinson in here? I ain't seen his name. What's up, T. Baker? What's going on, Marcia? Again, the link is in the chat. The link is in the chat if anybody want to pull up and ask a question. Oh, yeah. You in the back. New guy in the back. Come up here. Come here. FC, move out the way. Newer guy in the back. Come here. Or new lady in the back. Come here. You see this link right here? That link right there. That link, if you click that link, that's your key to getting a free one-on-one. You don't have to pay for a one-on-one. If you click that link, You can pull up and ask all the questions that you want. You know why? Because I got unlimited internet. And I will sit here and answer questions till the cows come home, or at least until I get hungry. And once I get hungry, or if I gotta pee, then I ain't gonna answer no more questions. But that's your key right there, right there. Save your money, put it in your brokerage account, right there. That's your key. Speaking of FC, what's going on, FC? What's going on, Stacks? Take them labels off. What's going on, Kareem? What's happening? Hey, Phil. This is my first time ever seeing that name. Phil, if this ain't your first time pulling up, I truly jollipize. But if it is your first time pulling up, welcome. Please hit the like button. Yeah, you better say it again. You better say it again, FC. The climb. Hey, let me turn the spear to the side. Make the mountain. Got to make the mountain. The climb. I need to get me the climb shirt. Have y'all seen the climb shirts when they got the spear over here? They got the spear looking like the side of the mountain, and it say the climb next to it. Everything reversed on the camera. It say the climb. I got to get me the climb shirt. If y'all want to send me the climb shirt, my P.O. box is I'm just jokes. Y'all don't send me nothing. My wife went and checked the P.O. box the other day. Wasn't nothing in there but a whole bunch of things talking about voting for Raphael Warnock and Herschel Walker. Michelle Tucker, what's going on, Michelle Tucker? We need that spider water. Yes, we do need that spider water. I lost my space. I hit the scroll bar and it scrolled too fast. What's up, Kyle? What's going on? We do need that. What's the name? He's here. What's up, Robinson? Tim calls me Robinson. That's still funny to me. Okay. Month over month, actual was 0.3 and the consensus was 0.2. Okay, so month over month was higher than expected. What was the core? That's the core month. That's the core month over month, or is that the headline? What's up, Fadio? Year over year actual 7.4 to 7.2. Do they break down the PPI to core? Yeah, they do break it down to the core. I'm gonna go look at it. Appreciate it. So both of them was higher than expected. Okay, I'm gonna go look at it. Hopefully that get us back down to make us start pushing down toward that equilibrium that we was talking about, like getting back down to that monthly equilibrium. What's up, Tim's favorite guy? What's up? What's up, Raymond? What's going on, Raymond? Yes, I know you can feel it. What's up, Otis? What's going on, SJ? Good morning, Cuzzo. Hey, Hydro Cuzzo. Hey, this is my first time ever seeing that name. Or this is my first time remembering that name. Either way it go, if it ain't your first time pulling up, I truly jollipize. But if it is your first time pulling up, welcome. Please hit the like button. Robinson, we gonna get to the price section. Calm down. Speaking of Robinson, what's this dissertation? Tim, real talk. You're a retired full-time trader. Ain't nothing to prove nobody. If you put Fort Lauderdale voice on there at the end, you got to say, you hear me. What's up, Devario, Towns, Gabriel? Which name you using today? What's good, my guy? Yes, welcome. Let's go ahead and get into the overnight price action. Before we get into that, I just want to say that if you're using TradingView, speaking of TradingView, let's go holler at our homegirl. Y'all know who she is. For all the first timers, Hydro. It was another first name I saw, Phil. Hydro Phil. We wrote a song for our friend Spylene, right? If y'all know who Spylene is the SPY, aka the SP500 ETF, right? We wrote a song for you. Want to hear it? Here it go. Everybody sing it with me. Clear your throat. Get the right key. Me. Right there. Spotling, where you at, baby? Here I go. Hey, how you doing? I'm glad that you, Spotling, you tripped and fell, but can you get up? I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Spotling, will you get up? Will you get up? Will you run sell side and fool everybody and bang on the Friday? What will you do, Spyleen? Tune in to the next episode of Dragon Ball Z to find out. Hey, Spyleen is now about to gap down $1 and some change. If price stays where it is right now, the market gonna open in 5 minutes. Man, I've been on here running my mouth for 20 minutes. Well, at least I did share what I shared in the Discord, so that was informative. It wasn't just me jaw jacking. I did do something. Shut up. So we're in a discount from yesterday's dealing range, right? We're in a discount from yesterday's dealing range. We're in a discount for the week. This is Monday's high. This is Tuesday's low, right? This is Thursday's high. This is Thursday's low, right? This is the equilibrium on the daily range for Thursday. This is equilibrium for the dealing range for the week, right? For everybody who need those numbers, 398.29 is the equilibrium for the week. 395.31 is equilibrium for yesterday's dealing range, right? We're in a slight discount for yesterday. We're in a deep discount for the weekly. And on the monthly level, we're in a premium. Let's see if we're in a discount of the premium. Let's see if we're in a discount of the premium. For anybody who don't know what I'm talking about, this orange line right here that says equilibrium for full range, it actually says EQ for full range. This is the equilibrium for our monthly box. This is the low, which we got it sit. Get out of my way, ad. We got it sitting at October 13th low, and this is the top, and we got it sitting at September the 12th high. I think it's September the 13th high on the ES, right? And this line in between, that's the equilibrium. Now, if you run the fib from equilibrium up to the high, right, that'll give you the equilibrium of the premium. We are now in a discount of the premium. So we're in a premium overall, right? But we're sitting in a discount of the premium. We're in a discount on yesterday's daily range, and we're in a discount on the weekly. So keep your head on a swivel. Some buying can come in because we're in a discount market on 3 different spectrums. So it depends on what range that the algos are keyed in on. If the algos are keyed in on yesterday's range, we're in a discount close to equilibrium, right? If we're keyed in on the weekly range, we're in a deep discount, right? If we're keyed in on the entire monthly range, we're in a premium. If we're keyed in on just the range from here to there on, you know what I'm saying, the premium range on the monthly, we're in a discount. So let algo start trading and show you where they're keyed in at. You know what I'm saying? Get in sync with them and make your day trading decisions from there. Now, let's go look at the overnight price action. Oh, before we do that, this is what I want to show. If you look at the continuous, what's the name? Right? You see how there's no gap on the March contract, right? For those that don't know, the March contract is H, right? March contract is H, June contract is M, September contract is U, December contract is Z, right? The way I remember it, I in my mind, I say, hey Muse, HMUZ, right? Hey Muse. But if you look at the H contract or the March delivery contract, there's no gap, right? Because when you look at the continuous contract still keeps the pricing for the old contract for a while, right? It like after a while, it's going to get in sync with just running the new pricing for the what's the name contract, right? So this is what I'm trying to say. The December contract, there's like a, so this right here closed at 39.65.75, right? The new contract the next day opened up at 39.96.25, right? So it's like a 31-point difference, right? It's a 31-point difference in the price, right? On the continuous contract, they don't price adjust all of the candles. I don't know why. I don't know why TradingView don't price. I guess they want you to go back and be able to see what the actual price was during that time, give you the real price. That's the only way I can, you know what I'm saying, assume that's why they do it. So when you look at the continuous contract, you can go back to this actual day and say, oh, it was this price exactly. Whereas over here on this one here, it's, you know what I'm saying, once you price adjust it and all of that right there, it's given, you know what I'm saying, it's given a different price, right? It's given it's like it's saying that it closed at 39.97, right? It's like a 30 something point difference. It's saying it closed at 39.97, right, on this contract. But if you look at this contract over here, it's saying that it closed at 39.65. You see what I'm saying? It's not price adjusted on the continuous contract. I said all that to say, on TradingView, the continuous contract is not price adjusted. See, if an old man run his mouth long enough, it's going to be a gem in what he's saying. Y'all had to suffer through all of that just for me to get in my brain that the continuous contract is not price adjusted, but the individual contract, the price is price adjusted. All of that. Somebody should have like put that in the chat. So with all that being said, this big volume imbalance right here, that's not a real volume imbalance. So you're going to have to, you know what I'm saying, keep that in mind, that this big volume imbalance is really not a volume. This is what the candle looked like for real. And then, you know what I'm saying, it'll be moving forward. Everything will be in sync. Hopefully I didn't confuse anyone. Let's look at overnight price action. Okay. We closed yesterday. Oh, the market is open. The market is open. The market is open. I jalapaz didn't realize that. If you got to go trade, please trade safely. If you're not going to trade, please take copious notes so you can go back and study what you saw today. Remember what I was saying about where we are with the discount and the premium. Try to get yourself in sync with the algos. Let the algos give you clues of which direction they want to go. We sold off pretty hard with the PPI. Let's see if the algos just use that to go down to a certain place and then bounce, or if they use that to go down and continue to go down. Watch the price action. Look for the market running sell side and then giving you a reversal. If we run sell side and then it give you a reversal signal, meaning a break in market structure on whatever time frame you watch, you know what I'm saying, then start looking for entries long. If it take buy side and it takes if it takes sell side and continues to take sell side, you know what I'm saying, start looking for entries to go short. If it take buy side and then go back up and take, if it takes sell side, then go back up and start to take buy side and give you a reversal signal, then look for an entry to go short. Whatever your trading style is, trade your book. Get in sync with the algos. If you don't believe in algos, draw your mannequin body parts on the chart and then execute. Please hit like on the way out the door. Thank you. So, I totally forgot what I was saying. We bounced up a little bit right there. We getting a little bounce off something. I totally forgot what I said. What was I saying? Oh, we closed yesterday at 39.65. Right. Once we closed, we pulled down a tad bit and then started to reverse at the 9 o'clock candle, 8 o'clock candle. If you use TradingView or any other platform that starts it with the beginning time, right? So between 8 and 9 o'clock, we start to take off, and it was nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up, right? We went all the way up, and I think this is the low right here that I anchored to last night around about 12:10, 12:15 when I was doing the fib test. Yes, that is the low right there. That's the low that I went to, and this is the consolidation that I split, and then this was the candle that I got that I entered in on. Well, I was sleeping, but this is the candle that it entered in on. So we made the high. We made a high at right at London open, and then we pulled back down. Yeah, I'm gonna say below the consolidation, because the consolidation is more so up here. We went down below the consolidation, then we took off and took out buy side liquidity again. Filled that daily fair value gap. Right, we filled that daily fair value gap. We got a hourly fair value gap right here that we got. Yeah, that's about mean threshold, a little bit over mean threshold of this hourly fair value gap right here. And then when the news came out, pang out to the downside, we came all the way down to this bullish order block right here at the from the 9 o'clock candle on the 7th. What's that, Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday. So the 9 o'clock p.m. candle on Wednesday, we came all the way back down to that order block, and then major reaction to that order block. Major reaction to that order block. Let's drop down to the 15-minute. Right. So once we got down there to that order block, and we bounced. On the 15-minute, we stopped just shy of equilibrium. Next 15-minute candle, we opened up and closed well above equilibrium in the premium. Then we kind of consolidated into the New York open. Let me go ahead and mark that New York open on the 15-minute, that is. So the New York open, is 39.52.25, right? So 39.52.25 is the New York open. Okay, we're pushing up. We got a huge 15-minute fair value gap right here. We got a breaking market structure to the downside on the 15-minute. We set a 15-minute fair value gap right there. Now this is a huge 15-minute fair value gap. This fair value gap right here is way outside my risk management, my risk tolerance. It is huge, right? It is huge. If I was trying to go short off of this fair value gap right here, see these relative equal highs right there, that looks attractive to me if I was an algorithm. But if I was going short off of this 15-minute, my max, what's this? The high on the count is 39.90. So my max loss that I would allow on a futures trade is 8 points, right? If I go 1 point above this, that's what I always go, 1 point above or below the high. I don't know why. That's just what I do, right? So 39.91 minus 8. 39.91 minus 8. 39.83, right? So the lowest I could get into that trade would be right here. That's the lowest I can get into that trade right there. 39.83. Right there. Right there where I got that crosshair at. That's the lowest I can get into that trade. And the top of the box is at 39.83.25. So it's just one tick away from the top of the box. So if I want to go short off of this fair value gap, it would have to come all the way up and fill the box for me to take it and be within my risk tolerance. Because anything you take in this fair value gap, this huge fair value gap, your stop loss is going to be above this high right here. I do it 1 point above the high or low. It's up to you to put it where you want to put it. Okay, we're coming back to yesterday's close. We've come back close to yesterday's close, backing off just a little bit. We just we pushed through. We got a little small we got a small depending on how you look at it. Depending on how you look at this right here, because this right here, you got this will be a mitigation block, and then this right here would be the breaker, and then we bounced off that breaker and went up. So this right here would be a mitigation block right here, this big down close candle. We actually pushed past it a little bit and come back down. So that would be your mitigation block right there, the big down close candle there. Then we came up, and then this right here was a breaker. Then we came down and we bounced off that break already. Then we sold off. Then we just came back up a little bit past this little mitigation block, but we got into this 15-minute fair value gap, reacting off of it a little bit right before yesterday's close. Let me see what 5 minute look like, and then I'm gonna go to the chat and see what y'all talking about. Let's see what y'all talking about. We got a breaking market structure to the upside on the 5 minute. Got a small fair value gap right there. Yep, we got a breaking market structure to the upside on the 5 minute. Small fair value gap right there at the New York Open. If you're bullish, if you think this got a chance to go back and fill that or get back to yesterday's open, quick little scalp would be from this fair value gap. Your risk would be down there. What's that low right there? 44. So 43. So from 43, then the top of the gap, that's 11 points. The bottom of the gap, 250. That's like almost 10 points. That's it's almost 10 points. It's outside of my risk tolerance. The order block will be if you got 10 points, that might be a quick scalp. 10-point stop loss. Got an order block right down here. Got a small with a big one inside it right there. Let me see what y'all talk about. Y'all talk about it in the chat. I'm tired, man. When I be going for my runs, I be getting sleepy. I ain't gonna hold you. I be sleepy anyway. But I do be getting sleepy after I go on my runs. I be real sleepy. What's up, Trey? When you slid up in here? What's up, Sanjay? Salute, my guy. MES H23. Yeah, I think that's it. Do the letter come? Yes, the letter come. Yeah, the letter come after. And some platforms have it just a year, and some of them have it the whole year. Like on TradingView, it's got the whole year. It's like it'll be like MES H 2023 on TradingView, and then some of them just have like MES H 23. It just have like the year on like what's not think that. Yeah, they just got the year. They got, and then on here they do the month. They don't on NinjaTrader. They do the month. They don't do the letter. They just do 12-22 or 03-23. They just do the month and the year on NinjaTrader. You're very welcome, lover. I appreciate it. Hey, man, that's all I got. That's all I got, y'all. If y'all ain't got now, we're going to go ahead and call it, because that's all I got. Any questions? No question. Who tapped in to Zay? What's name last night? I tapped in last night. Pretty good information, man. I usually sit down and read all that stuff that people be putting out. Only thing I do when I go to companies, I go look and see how much money they got, how much debt they got, how much they spending on research and development, how much they spending on acquisitions, if they doing any acquisitions. I just look at the money. It didn't even get back down to the fair value gap before it popped. So either way it go, even if you was trying to take that trade off the fair value gap, it ain't come get you. It left you. It didn't even come back to, even if you could take on the risk, even if it was within your risk parameters off that 5-minute chart. It said, forget you, punk. I'm out of here. It ain't come back to the fair value gap or the order block. It said, forget you, punk. I'm gone, punk. Tapped in after work, got some great insight and view. Yeah, it was good. It was good. I really enjoyed that. I like chopping it up with Zay, man. Zay be on all of that. Zay be on all that fundamental stuff. Now Zay is he mean when it comes to the technicals and stuff like that. He a good technical trader, but he be so in touch with the fundamental stuff. It's like he always make me look at stuff in a different light. He always make me it's like he forced me to look at my analysis based off of what's going on fundamentally. You know what I'm saying? Because I tell people all the time, like, technicals is just the fundamentals laid out. It's a visual representation of the fundamentals. That's all technicals are to Lil Timmy Rogers. So that's why I don't like reading. I don't like reading. You know what I'm saying? I listen to the audio Bible. I don't like reading nothing. You know what I'm saying? I just don't like reading. So when I got to sit down and read all these doggone reports and man, just give me the numbers and tell me what people expecting. Okay, it's going in accordance to what they expecting. It's not going in accordance to what they expecting. Let the price move and then give me my trade. That's just me. But I appreciate people like Zay, you know what I'm saying, for, you know, forcing me to add stuff to my arsenal. Even downloaded a few. Okay, then. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Hey, man, I'm tired. I'm finna call it. I see y'all tonight at 6:30 for the weekly wrap up. Again, if you're gonna trade today, please trade safe. If you're not gonna trade, please take copious notes so you can go back and study what you saw today in price action and add it to your back utility belt. Again, feel the spill. Go nose life. I appreciate y'all, man. Until tonight, y'all trade safe. I'll see you later. Gone.